Hi, do you want to sound more fluent and natural in English? Phrasal verbs are the secret. They're everywhere in daily conversations, and mastering them will help you understand and speak English like a pro. Today, I'm sharing 10 must-known phrasal verbs that you can use every day. And guess what? You'll hear them probably every day as well. Number one, wake up. This means to stop sleeping and become awake. When you're sleeping, then you open your eyes, you wake up, all right? So for example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Hey, what time do you wake up on weekends? Around 9 a.m. But sometimes I sleep in, I must confess. Number two, get up. This means to get out of bed after waking up. This is not the same as wake up. This is when you get out of bed, all right? For example, I don't want to get up. It's so warm in here. I like it. Why aren't you getting up? 5 more minutes, please. So nice in here. Number three, put on. This means to wear clothing or accessories, right? When you put your clothes on. For example, don't forget to put on your jacket. It's cold outside. Are you ready? Almost. I just need to put on my shoes. Put on your shoes. Don't go outside without putting on your shoes. Take off. This means to remove your clothes or accessories, right? Put on, take off. For example, please take off your shoes before entering the house. Why are you taking off your jacket? Well, it's warm in here. I don't need to have it on. Number five, to run out of. This means to use up all of something. For example, we ran out of milk. Can you grab some from the store? Sure can. Why can't I make coffee? We ran out of coffee beans. Number six, to pick up. This means to collect or retrieve something or someone from a place or something like that. For example, can you pick up the kids from school today? Can you please, pretty please? Hey, where's the pizza? I'll pick it up on my way home. Number seven, drop off. This means to take someone or something to a specific place. You take them from somewhere and drop them off somewhere. For example, I'll drop you off at the station before work. Can you drop me off at the mall? Sure, I'll be ready in 10 minutes. 8. Turn on. This means to activate or switch on a device. For example, can you turn on the lights? It's so dark in here. I can't see properly, so dark. Why isn't the TV working? Did you turn it on properly? Did you? Number 9, turn off. This is the opposite of turn on. Turn on, activate or switch on. Turn off, switch off, to deactivate, switch off a device. Okay? For example, don't forget to turn off the stove after cooking. Dangerous. Why is the fan still working? Oops, I forgot to turn it off. Number 10, look after. This means to take care of someone or something. For example, can you look after my dog while I'm away? Please, pretty please. Who's going to look after the plants during your vacation? Who? My neighbor will help out. I've already talked to him. Awesome. Phrasal verbs make your English sound more natural and help you understand native speakers better. Which of these phrasal verbs do you already use? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to practice them in your daily conversations. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.